In a quiet, picturesque village nestled amidst rolling hills lived Lily, a charming little girl with twinkling eyes and a heart full of curiosity. Lily, with a handful of breadcrumbs, ventured into the village park, her face lit up with anticipation, knowing her feathered friends awaited her. As she scattered breadcrumbs on the ground, colorful birds of all sizes and shapes descended from the trees, forming a vibrant mosaic around her. With a giggly conversation that only they could understand, Lily and the birds shared stories of their daily adventures, forming an unbreakable bond. The village began to buzz with excitement as the melodious songs of Lily's feathered companions filled the air, captivating everyone's hearts. Day after day, Lily and her avian friends explored the wonders of the village together, bringing joy to every corner with their cheerful presence. Lily's friendship with the birds grew stronger with each passing season, a heartwarming bond that continued to brighten the village, reminding everyone of the magic that existed in their world.